Hey growers, Professor Monstera, hope you're having a great day. In this next video, I am showing you how to make a self-contained irrigation system, drip irrigation for one plant. So simple. If you never ever want to have to water your cocoa plant again, or if you're going away, this is the video you need to watch. See you soon. Here I am going to give you something to take away with you that you might think, wow, this is pretty awesome, because it'll take me 2 seconds to explain. Watch this. I'm going to get a bucket. It's not going to have any holes, so it's going to be a bucket. We're going to put it down. A little water pump, 15, 20 bucks tops. That goes in there. The smallest one you can get if you're only doing one plant. We don't want it to be pushing heaps of water out. We just want a tiny bit of water coming out. We put that in there. We're going to have a dripper. The dripper doesn't let out a shot of water. This lets out water drop by drop, by drop, by drop. So it takes a long time to fill the thing with water, but that's what we want. So this is going to go in there. Yeah, there's going to be like a gap on the side of the bucket. Look, watch. It's right there. Woo-hoo. On one side, it allows us to plug it. On the other side, it allows us to bring our hose up. Yep, in here, in this little gap here. And why not? Let's do it. We're going to put water. It's going to have nutrients. 4 liters. And we're just going to do the test. We're going to put this one in. We're going to put this one in and see. Okay. So, can you see the water through there? Haha. I could probably feed a little bit more. So I am confident that we could end up with 5 liters of nutrient in there. So in there you would have your ASOS, your Tribers, root accelerator, your cocoa nutrients, and what would I add to that? 1 second everyone. Oxygen stone, hose, oxygen stone will go in the bottom. Why do we want an oxygen stone? It'll keep the water aerated, but it'll also keep everything moving in there. And you know, still water, bacteria. Yeah? Water without oxygen, bad bacteria, breeding ground. Anaerobic, bad bacteria. Aerobic, good bacteria. So we want this to be really aerated. And really, look, that's really all there is to it. This is the one that goes at the end to stop the water. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to put the other bit of the hose into the pump. Yeah, like that. In here, one of these thingamajiggies, and you literally put it into the hose, and they've got a little thing that makes it a little bit easy to do. There we go, it's in already. Can you believe this? It's going to be working in 2 seconds. There we go. Then to that, we're going to add our hose with our dripper. Look, just like that. That's how easy it is. There's no trick to it. This goes in there. Make sure that it's submerged under the water, of course. They normally have little, there you go, little sucker things, so that it gets stuck down the bottom. So you do that. This here, it's a little bit high, so that's going to be a little bit of a problem, I didn't think. But I'll just push it to the side of the pot for now. We can make it better, like this is just a prototype, because I only need one. So that comes in handy. So this goes in here. How good is that? Look at that. So can you see how that's going to keep our water moving and our nutrients nice and fresh? And we've got that little pump. That can work 24/7. This little pump we will put on a timer and just get it to work once a day. Watch. Watch. It's working! It works! So now look, this is how easy it is. All you do is get your plant. So let's pretend. Let's pretend it's this one, which is all green. It just turned out to be a fully green one. So you can even use this with a smaller pot. You just sit it in there, and now we're going to put that in there. And that's it. Finished. You never have to water your plant again. All you need to do is make sure that your timer comes on once a day. And we will work out how many minutes you need, because we would have started a timer. I explained this to my mods before. The very first time, we don't measure it because we just want all the cocoa to get really wet. Then tomorrow night, when we start this, we start the timer. And the second that we see the first drop come out down the bottom, we stop it. And whatever that time is, we set it to twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the evening. How come we can do it twice a day? Because we're feeding it drop by drop. We are feeding it so much less and in such a more effective way when we do this than when we feed it with our hand. When we feed it with our hand, most of it goes straight through. When you do drop by drop, the cocoa absorbs it and absorbs it and absorbs it, and it really gets fully saturated. You will feel the weight of the pot and you will think, my goodness, I never had the pot that heavy before. And yeah, so right now, that's all you do. What happens if you've got more than one plant? What can you do then? You know, that's it. That's it. You need nothing else. All you need is this here. And then you will take a second hose and it will go to the next pot. Is it still working? Look. Look at that. Huh? I can see already. Can you see how the cocoa around where it is, it started to get dark brown? Like, I can just see it already. Just in all of that area, just, see? Look at it. And so little by little, that will go out and out and out.